Sunscreen. Today, I'm going to be putting on some tinted sunscreen. Welcome to my channel. About a week ago, I went into a Sephora and I purchased some Supergoop glow screen. I got it in the color Sunrise. They had two colors in the store, a darker color, I don't remember the name of it, and then Sunrise, which is lighter and kind of works with my light skin. If you go on their website, you can find out more about the history of the company and the different products they have. And I believe they have a couple of other tints they've just released, a lighter one, and then I'm not sure. You can go look on their website. Anyway, I'm going to review it for you. So as I say, I have not had any issues with it so far, and let's put it on. First, I'm going to put my hair back and take off my glasses. All right. Getting it out of the way. When I put it on, it's going to have a pink tint to it. But then I'm going to cover it up with a foundation. And here we go. Taking it out of the box. I will show a close-up of the ingredient part. I'll put that in. I'll insert it so you can look at it if you want to. Okay. This is what the tube looks like. It cost $38. I don't know how long it's going to last. I'm going to take my ring off so it doesn't get goop on it. Okay. Again, it's going to make me very glowy, and it's going to be pink. I'm going to start with my nose. It's 40 SPF. Even on overcast days, it's a good idea to wear sunscreen. Okay. They say to put it on liberally. Looking in the mirror to make sure I got it on all of my face. So look how pink it made me, how glowing it made me. I would not wear it by itself because I don't want to be so shiny, but I'm going to put a foundation over. So I've tried all my foundations over it during the past week. I have tried my current favorite, the Wet n Wild. Went on great. Loved it. I have one, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it is called, let's see, let me find where it says. Hold on, put my glasses on so I can see where it has the name on it. Oh, here's the box. I think it's pronounced Fora, but I'm not sure. This one by itself gives me slightly patchy cheeks. But on the glow screen, it was great. It was great. Anyway, and one that I hadn't used in a long time, but I had, is Covergirl Clean. And I haven't used this because after I got it and tried it, it was not going on my skin well. But with the glow screen, you know what? It kind of went on nicely. I'm actually going to use this today. I'm going to put it on over. All right. So I'm going to shake this baby up. And put a little bit on. And I'm going to use my hand mirror in a minute to make sure I get it everywhere. Okay, let me put that away. Let me get my hand mirror. And after I get it blended with my fingers, I am going to use a cosmetic wedge sponge to blend it. I don't want to use my brush today. I don't want to have to wash off the Covergirl Clean to use my other foundations. So this has worked really well. There are other tinted sunscreens. I know e.l.f. has one. I haven't tried it. I might keep my eyes out and try that one. I believe it's like half the price. Okay, I think I got everything blended there. So I like this one. A little pricey. Don't know how it's gonna last, whether it's gonna be, you know, a couple weeks, a month, don't know. I'm gonna find that out. Anyway, I hope that you are wearing your sunscreen and protecting your skin. And if you have a tinted sunscreen that you've tried, please feel free to put it in the comments or any questions. So, or comments. Have a really good day. Hope to see you in the future. Bye-bye.